Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a review on this LMJP Dishwasher Detergent. It's going to be my first time using it, so I set up a little test here with my dishwasher. I put a lot of dirty things in there. I'm not a big fan of pre-washing things. So again, you can see I got some pasta sauce, all of these plates. Still got a lot of coffee in there, a lot of grease on this pan right here. Again, no real pre-washing done here, a lot of stuck on food. I also have some sensitive, the silverware, this kind of copper color is a little bit sensitive, so we're going to try it out, see if it tarnishes it at all. But we're going to go ahead, it comes with a nice little wooden scoop here. Fill up there. We'll take a look at the directions. Yeah, add 1 scoop of powder per load. Use 2 scoops if it's got hard water, full loads, tough residue. So we'll try 1 scoop here, see how it works. Not a ton of stuff in there, not a full load, but just wanted a demonstration. So we'll close it up. Got it set on normal. And we're going to start my dishwasher here. And then we will come back and check it out here in about an hour and a half. Alright guys, so the wash is done. Let's take a look, see how it did. Start on the bottom rack here. Looks like everything got washed nicely. No more grease on that pan. No more stuck on food down here. How'd our coffee cup do? Coffee cup looks great. See how the spoon did? This spoon I was a little worried about, because again, I didn't want the finish to come off, but it looks like it's pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Really like this copper colored silverware. Up here on the top rack, looks like these things, obviously, sometimes this bowl is hard to clean and doesn't get clean with my normal detergent I've been using, so happy to see that I got clean. The bowl of truth looks pretty good to me. So yeah guys, looks like this did a good job. No coffee in there, no coffee stains. Again guys, I don't like to do a whole lot of pre-wash. It looks like with the LMJP dishwasher detergent, you don't have to, and it still is pretty safe on all of your stuff. Removes tea, coffee, water stains. I'll put a link down below where you guys can check this out. If you got any questions, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you guys watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll catch you all next time.